This is our project. It simulates the basic things of solar system, including the sun and 9 planets and their rotation and revolution. Next, I'm gonna quickly introduce some features of this solar system. The first is the sun. It uses a shader to make it shiny and looks powerful. So, the next is the Moon and Earth system. As you can see, there's a moon rotated around the Earth. We also add some details to the Earth, such as the satellite. You can see there's a satellite flight around the Earth, and there's an atmosphere float onto the Earth. The next is a Saturn ring. We added the Saturn ring onto the Saturn. And each planet has its own rotation axis. It's represented by the blue line. And you can see there are some random white points represent the star in the distance. And there is a GUI planet. User can interact with the solar system by setting some parameters. For example, player can choose a camera to observe the specific planets. There's some bugs. And players also can change the speed of the revolution. And the slides and the lights. And the light color. There are some improving points we are working on. The first point is a GUI box. For some reason, it doesn't change focus while users try to change. And the second is a texture problem. The texture of the satellite cannot load onto the things correctly. That's a part we are currently working on. So, jump to the contribution part. In this video, I'll just quickly summarize our roles in the project and leave the details implementation in the class presentation. So, we have 3 people in our group. My role is to create a framework of whole project. We divided the whole project into four scripts. The application holds the camera and all the planet's objects and defines the render and animation behavior, implements the rotation and revolution of planets. The data defines the dictionary which contains the information of planets such as ratios, distance, and shifting angles, and so on. The planet implements the rotation and revolution behaviors, and the key camera listener is to listen the input from users. So my name is Ding. My contribution is a framework and a satellite, which is the application script and the planet script, a little bit of planet's code. And Huangxing implements all the details of planets and its data, which related to the planet script and data script. And Choke implements the GUI part and the camera setting, which related to the planet or the key camera listener script and the index HTML5. So for the reference, we use a library from GitHub in order to use the object loader, and all the model and the texture file are downloaded from the internet. Thanks.